This is Randy with Mystery Madness Collectibles here opening up some elf NFTs. I already opened up one pack. I was trying to do the video and then realized I forgot to hit the record button. So I'll show you what I got in my first pack. But before we get into that, watch this and we'll be right back. And we're back. And yeah, here, anyway, my first pack, right off the bat, I hit a grail. I got 5 commons, 2 uncommons, 4 rares, 2 epics, and the Holy Grail. Right there. This bad boy right here. So yeah. So my first pack I got a grail. I had a total of 14 premium packs. But I'm down to 13 now, so we're gonna open up some more and see what we get. Alright. Let's see, which one should we do next? Yeah, as you see, I got quite a bit. Let's do this one next, just for the fun of it. Oh, got a serious coin. I got one in the first pack, so maybe that's a good sign. Papa Elf, common. Buddy the Elf, uncommon. Papa Elf, common. Arctic Puffin, common. Buddy the Elf, common. Max Token Head, common. Man. Ming Ming, common. So I think we're on card 6 now, and most of them's been uncommon and commons. Max Token Head, uncommon. Epic Mr. Norwal. Common Buddy. Common Leon. Common Freddy Funko. Epic Buddy the Elf. Common Max Token Head. And a common Buddy the Elf. Man, that's not too good. Yeah, got 2 epics out of that. One, 11 commons out of that. Holy crap. Yeah, that one wasn't a good pack. At all. Let's see, let's do this 3,000. And we got another coin. Oh no. Common Buddy the Elf. Uncommon Buddy the Elf. Common Ming. I think I got that one. Common Arctic. Common Buddy the Elf. Rare Ming. Uncommon Joey. Common Puffin. I think I just got that one. Common Freddy Funko. Common Papa Elf. Epic Buddy the Elf. Common Buddy the Elf. Common Papa Elf. Common Puffin. And Uncommon Buddy the Elf. Man, these things are brutal. Did get a rare and an epic, but man. Alright, one more pack. Let's go with this 1752. Oh, Epic Jova. Uncommon Max Token Head. Papa Elf Common. Buddy the Elf Common. Puffin Common. Man, I got a lot of that. Buddy the Elf Common. Ming Epic. Jovi Common. Buddy the Elf Common. Jovi Common. Buddy the Elf Epic. I think I got that one. Buddy the Elf Rare. Puffin Uncommon. Papa Elf Rare. Or Epic. And Jovi Rare. That one's not too bad. There was a lot of rares and epics in that one. Three epics and two rares. Not too bad. Of course, a legendary would be better, but alright. Jovi Common. Buddy the Elf Common. Max Token Head Uncommon. Freddy Funko Rare. Buddy the Elf Common. Jovi Common. Buddy the Elf Common. Buddy the Elf Uncommon. Mr. Narwhal Uncommon. Buddy the Elf Rare. Papa Elf Uncommon. Leon Common. Buddy the Elf Uncommon. Buddy the Elf Rare. And our last one, Max Token Rare. Alright. Let's see how we're doing. We are 57% to fill. Hopefully I can get some more legendaries. Well, I got 8 of the epics. 11 out of the rare, though. Alright. Go back to it. I got 9 more packs. Let's go for this one. Papa Elf common. Jovi common. Leon common. Puffin uncommon. Buddy the Elf uncommon. Buddy the Elf rare. I think I already got that one. Freddy Funko common. Papa Elf uncommon. Leon epic. I thought that was a legendary at first. Buddy the Elf common. Buddy the Elf rare. Mr. Norwar rare epic. Whee. Leon common. Max Token Head common, and our last one is Freddy Funko rare. Not bad cards. Just wished I'd get something. See if that upped me in. Oh, 62 now. Huh. Just wished I'd get some legendaries. Excuse me, I kind of got a cold. Alright, another low pack here. Buddy the Elf, common. Puffin, rare. Buddy the Elf, common. Buddy the Elf, uncommon. Buddy the Elf, rare. Jovi, common. Buddy the Elf, epic. Jovi, common. Neon, epic. Papa Elf, common. Jovi, common. Buddy the Elf, common. Mr. Narwhal, rare. Freddy Funko, uncommon. And Buddy the Elf, common. Alright. Open this one. Buddy the Elf, common. Buddy the Elf, uncommon. Man, there's a lot of buddies in this NFT. Jovi, common. Buddy the Elf, uncommon. Puffin rare. Jovi rare. Buddy the Elf common. Ooh, got a legendary. Jovi, legendary. So at least I got a legendary. I was starting to wonder there. Buddy the Elf rare. Papa Elf common. Mr. Norwal common. Max Token Head common. Puffin uncommon. Buddy the Elf common. And Buddy the Elf uncommon. Alright. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. This might be a long video. Series coin. Jovi, common. Buddy Elf, uncommon. Buddy Elf, common. Buddy Elf, epic. Max Token Head, uncommon. Jovi, common. Papa Elf, epic. Freddy Funko, common. Buddy Elf, common. Puffin, common. Puffin rare. Puffin common. Oh, that sucks. Freddy Funko uncommon. Leon common. And Freddy Funko uncommon. Man, that was a bad pack. Although I did get 2 epics out of it, but and the rare. But friggin' 3 Puffins in a row. Five more packs. Puffin common. Buddy the Elf uncommon. Buddy the Elf common. Buddy the Elf rare. Jovi uncommon. Puffin common. Buddy the Elf common. Ming Ming common. Buddy the Elf uncommon. Puffin uncommon. Jovi common. Mr. Norwal uncommon. Mr. Norwal epic. Buddy the Elf rare. And Buddy the Elf uncommon. Man, these cards are not friendly on the legendaries and stuff. Holy crap. Well, we're 80% to fill the set for royalties now. We got 17 of the rares and 10 of the epics. So we need, there's 15 epics, we got 10 of them. There's 20 of the rares, we got 17 of them. There's 26 uncommons and we got 18 of those. There is 30 commons and we got 28 of those. So Shall we keep going? Why not? It's like a band-aid. Just need to rip it off right now. We got one Grail, one Epic. Series coin. Buddy the Elf common. Buddy the Elf uncommon. Buddy the Elf rare. Buddy the Elf common. Max token head rare. Buddy the Elf common. Buddy the Elf common. Same one it looks. Buddy the Elf rare. Leon uncommon. Freddy Funko common. Leon common. Buddy the Elf common. Leon rare. Jovi common. And Papa Elf common. I don't know if I have that one. The rare. So and next pack. Give us something. Freddy Funko uncommon. Freddy Funko uncommon. Is that the same one? Yes, it is. Papa Elf common. Buddy Elf common. Max Token Head uncommon. Jovi rare. Leon uncommon. Ming Ming common. Mr. Norwal rare. Leon epic. Buddy the Elf uncommon. Buddy the Elf uncommon. Is that the same one? No? Okay. Buddy the Elf common. Leon rare. And Buddy the Elf common. Down to 2 packs. After this one won. Leon common. Buddy the Elf common. Puffin rare. Leon rare. Buddy Elf epic. Jovi common. Buddy the Elf common. Jovi rare. Buddy the Elf or Freddy Funko common. Buddy the Elf uncommon. Mr. Norwal epic. Ming Ming common. Buddy the Elf common. Mr. Norwal uncommon. And Ming Ming common. Our last premium pack. Freddy Funko common. Buddy the Elf common. Buddy the Elf common. Puffin uncommon. Buddy the Elf common. Buddy the Elf common. Papa Elf common. Buddy the Elf Epic, Buddy the Elf Common, Jovi Common, Jovi Rare, Buddy the Elf Common, Buddy the Elf Common, Jovi Uncommon, and our last card, Jovi Uncommon. Man, whoo-wee, that was not too good. We are 94% done though. We need one common, one uncommon, and 3 epics to get the royalty. And we got a grail and 1 legendary. Alright, well, it is what it is. But, those were some brutal cards. I would have figured more legendaries out of 14 premium packs, but I guess the grail's pretty cool. I think that's my first grail that I've hit. So, but anyway, without further ado, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and the notification bells to be notified of the next videos that are coming. And mad love to everyone that has subscribed and further ones that will subscribe. And you all have a good day or a good night, depends on when you're watching the video. Thank you.